Hearing strange noises in the kitchen, the man discovered an unbelievable creature lurking in the house. When he heard strange noises coming from the kitchen, this man could not imagine what was waiting for him when he decided to check the source of those sounds. One day, John Smith, a resident of San Diego, heard strange sounds from the kitchen in the middle of the night. At first, he thought it might be the creaking sound of the plumbing system or the sound of wind blowing. But when the sound became more continuous and stronger, he decided to investigate to make sure nothing serious was happening. He held a flashlight and carefully opened the kitchen door. Immediately, he saw an image that made him panic: a giant mouse, many times the size of the regular mice he had seen, trying to hide in the corner of the kitchen. John described his feeling when he saw the mouse. At first I couldn't believe my eyes. I thought maybe I was dreaming. But when I saw the mouse clearly, I knew this was a serious situation. Not knowing what to do with the giant rat, John called Animal Control Services. Experts from Animal Control Services arrived and quickly handled the situation. They said this was a rare giant rat, and they set traps and relocated the rat to an area away from his home. The giant mouse measures about 50 centimeters from head to tail, 3 times the size of a normal mouse. Con chuot nei ko the lamot loi chuot nuk hope chuot go, ko the far tryan lon hon so boy loi chuot fong thung. Experts believe that the presence of giant rats may be due to construction near the rats' living areas or a lack of natural food sources in their habitat. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel to explore the next stories.